Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. And if you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Aquarius. So, let's start with these cards. We have King of Earth, Seven of Earth, and Eight of Water. So, in your circumstances today, Aquarius, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are someone who is really practical, grounded, and you have a lot of experience, knowledge. So you are someone in an important position in work, guys, maybe a team leader or a manager or in your job. So you have a lot of experience, skills and talents helping you, and you know what works well for you. You are focused and dedicated, committed to whatever you are doing, committed to your work, committed to this person you love. So you are someone with a lot of confidence and talents, and you have faith in yourself, and you see success and happiness in your future, hope and faith in your future. And you have a lot of focus, guys. You work with determination and confidence, Aquarius. And maybe today you are making some important choices for yourself, for this love, and maybe in these choices may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, guys. So Aquarius, you are making some decisions based on truth, honest decisions. So you are not afraid to make those choices. Maybe for some of you, these honest decisions may take you towards some difficult circumstances today, guys. Something may come about, but you are someone who's really committed to whatever you do, and you can never lie, or you can never live a lie. So maybe for some of you, this relationship may be too much to handle, and you are making a honest an honest decision about this person, whether you want them in your life or not. And that honest decision may be difficult, but you are someone who cannot do with something superficial. So if you truly love them, you are going to fight for this love. If not, you are going to move away from this person you love. So if this love is truly meant to be, if they love you truly, and if they want this relationship to work, maybe you just letting go of this person, they will surely come back to you, guys, if this relationship is meant for you. And that is what I see for your relationship, guys. And for your career situation, Aquarius, you are making some important choices. So you have a lot of confidence and talents and skills. You are someone committed, grounded, and responsible. So that is what is going to take you towards your success today, guys. Whatever dreams and goals you have for yourself, you are going to achieve all that today, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we will see what it is. For those who chose this first card, we have Dawn, the golden hat. So in your circumstances today, guys, you are making a lot of efforts and it is something difficult, but you are someone dedicated and devoted, and your devotion and dedication is bringing you the rewards, guys, and very soon. So some of us may feel that we do so much but the returns are not good. We work so hard but what we get is nothing matching to what we did. But you need to understand that hard work will never go for waste, guys, and patience is what is called for today in your circumstances. So you are going to be really recognized for your devotion and dedication and true love. If you have true love on this person and if they also have true love, so whatever obstacles you are facing, you both are facing today in your love situation is coming to an end, guys, and your good work or your good deeds will always be rewarded. You can have trust that on that, guys. You can be rest assured. So whatever you do, whatever good things you do will always be rewarded, and whatever you do, being responsible, devoted, dedicated in your work or in your personal life, your dedication is going to change your circumstances. Maybe it will change even the difficult circumstances into something beautiful. So things will change around if you have positive intentions and if you do your duty with that patience and with that conviction and devotion. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So good things are coming towards you, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have an angel card, guys. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are here with us, guiding us today in our day-to-day activities. So with this card, it just means that we are not aware of beauty or happiness in our circumstances, guys. So this angel card is about that. It helps us to find joy in our own circumstances, seeing the beauty of the world around us. And beauty is is a unique form of creative expression, guys. So maybe sometimes we are often so busy, or we see so much ugliness and sadness in our world around us, around the people we meet, or in the experiences that come to our life, we rarely appreciate or we rarely pause to see the things that are beautiful in our situation. Maybe the in our day-to-day struggles, or in our anxiety or stress, we often lose that awareness to see our circumstances and see where we are and appreciate the things that we have. So it may be a child's smiling face, or a butterfly fluttering around, whatever it is, or a tree moving in that mild wind. So, whatever it is, things of beauty around us, the nature we have around us, we rarely appreciate all those things, guys. So, when we do that, it simply, when we appreciate this beauty around us, it simply inspires us, makes us refreshed, and it gives us inspiration and that positive energy. So, lack of inspiration is the reason for our situation, guys. We feel lot stressed and we feel cornered, or we feel let down in some ways. So, inspiration is the key thing needed in our day to day life. So, this card stands for that, and it stands for getting inspired with our surroundings. So, this angel card assists us in that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So it simply opens us when we feel inspired, we are open to new ideas and opportunities in our life. So that is the energy with this card. And that is the reading for you all today, guys, with these cards. I hope you like this reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.